While you may need to bomb your home with bug repellent every now and then, there is that issue of toxicity in all mainstream bug sprays. If you're concerned about this, then we've got a list suited for you. We've rounded up 5 of the best non-toxic bug bombs that are safe for you and your family. Bug Bomb Buying Guide. Natural bug bombs are pretty hard to buy because there are so many things to take into consideration, especially if you want to avoid the toxic ones. However, we have a buying guide that can help you choose the best one. We also used this buying guide to narrow down our choices to the 5 best non-toxic bug bombs that we can find in the market. With this guide, you can pick which of the 5 choices we'll give you later as the one that's most suited to your needs. So follow these criteria when picking out the best product. Ingredients. The first thing that you have to take note of when buying non-toxic bug bombs is the list of ingredients. The ingredients will show whether or not the bug bomb has any toxic materials or not. The key here is to look for plant-based ingredients. If you see that the bug bomb has purely plant-based ingredients, then it's safe. The main ingredient that you'll want to look for is essential oils such as citronella, cedar, garlic, and rosemary. Other products will have other essential oils in them, so it's up to you what kind of combination you want to have. Also, watch out for certain toxic ingredients like synthetic pesticides. These include DEET and pyrethrin. If you see any of these ingredients or something similar, don't buy it. Bugs that can be killed. Different products specialize in killing different bugs. There are some bug bombs that specialize in killing mosquitoes while others are better at killing termites. Most essential oil-based bombs can kill pretty much any bug, but there are some that specialize in certain bugs. Before you purchase your bug bomb, check the label to see which bugs your desired bug bomb can kill. Size. The size refers to how much liquid the container can hold. There are some foggers that are around 14 ounces a bottle, while there are others that can hold 1 gallon of liquid. You choose what size you want based on how heavy of a container you can handle. Ease of use. When we choose a fogger or bug bomb, we're after the ease of use as well. There are some foggers that come in small spray cans. They're very easy to use because of their size, but they can't cover a whole yard. On the other hand, there are the big ones that can cover whole yards but are heavier. There are also industrial-sized types that you can carry on your back. These are very heavy but can bomb an entire garden. Residual effect. Lastly, we have a residual effect. This refers to how long the bug-killing effect lasts. The longer the residual effect, the longer the smell will be in the air. The longer the smell is there, the more bugs get killed over time. Ideally, you'll want a bug spray that has an extended residual effect. This means that they stay in the air for a longer period of time compared to most other bug sprays. With this, you'll get better results and your money's worth. These are some of the things that you should consider when buying a bug bomb. Don't just buy randomly, and take the time to do your due diligence in order to grab one that best suits your needs and brings the best bang for the buck. The 5 best non-toxic bug bombs. Primo Guard Non-Toxic Natural Spray. This is definitely one of the most powerful non-toxic sprays you'll find in the market. With its combination of ingredients, it's strong enough to kill pretty much any big species that tends to infest. These include spider mites, dust mites, roaches, fleas, lice, and ants. It's also safe and natural. It won't stain your furniture or bedding. Also, it's scent-free, so you don't have to worry about harmful fumes. It's also certified by the Natural Products Association, making it very safe. If you're after power and need to kill a lot of insects at one shot, this is the one to get. It gets the job done whether it's a small or medium infestation. Pros. Can kill a whole range of insects effectively. Safe for pets and children. Can be used as a laundry additive. Does not have a smell or create stains. Cons. Does not have a strong residual effect. Best Vet's Flea and Tick Spray. If you have a pet like a dog that tends to attract fleas or ticks to your backyard, this one is a pretty good choice. Not only can it kill the adult fleas, but it can also kill baby fleas and eggs. The best part of it all is that it's very gentle, so even your dog or cat can inhale it. It's also easy to use. It has this ready-to-use hose attachment for easy application. It's composed of natural oils that are potent pest-fighting elements and are 100% natural. Thus, you also won't have to worry about this product harming your trees and shrubs. Just connect the product to the garden house, turn on the nozzle, and spray evenly. Pros: can effectively kill fleas or ticks. Only contains essential oils. Very safe for animals. Also slightly effective against mosquitoes. Cons: cannot kill bigger bugs like roaches or ants. Cedarside Original Spray. The beauty of this product is that it dries very easily. A lot of people don't like using essential oil-based sprays because they stay wet on your bed or table surface for quite some time. This one, though, dries up in just a few minutes. It also won't create stains like most others. Most of all, its active ingredient is natural cedar, a powerful insect killer that can kill any insect whether small or big. To make the package better, this gallon of bug spray may also come with a Cedarside quart bottle with a powerful spray gun. Pros: fresh scent. Quick dry feature. Can kill small or big insects. May come with a big spray bottle. Cons: some people may be allergic to natural cedar. May cause discoloration. Harris Toughest Bed Bug Killer. For those who suspect that their homes have bed bugs, this is the answer to the problem. This EPA-registered product is all natural but extremely powerful. They can kill pesticide-resistant bed bugs that have immunity against mainstream pesticides through the power of a natural formula. It also has a long residual effect. The results come fast, especially when sprayed directly. Another good thing about it is that it's odorless, and it won't cause damage to your fabrics. Pros: long residual effect. Can kill even the strongest bed bugs. Quick killing effect. No odor. Cons: cannot really kill other bugs. May not work for big infestations already. Hudson Fog Electric Atomizer Spray. While this isn't a bug spray per se, it is a great supplementary product for natural bug sprays. It's a strong, heavy-duty fogger that you can use if you want to spray all over a big garden or yard. It can be used with natural sprays and is easy to use. It also comes with a carrying strap for added convenience. It's pretty light but can carry 2 gallons of liquid with an output of a max of 14 gallons per hour. If you need to fog a big backyard, this is one handy appliance that you may want to buy. Pros: industrial quality. Perfect for large gardens. Good coverage. Portable. Cons: quite bulky. The clam can be improved. In our opinion, those 5 products are the best choices you have for non-toxic bug bombs. If you were to ask us which one is our favorite, we think we'll go with the Primo Guard non-toxic natural spray. Granted that it doesn't have a strong residual effect, it can still kill a whole range of bugs quickly. If it can do that, you don't really need something with a high residual effect. Also, its ingredients are completely safe, being only made of natural essential oils. Lastly, its size is 1 gallon, which is the standard size for most bug bombs. With that size, you can have a lot of bug spray in one bottle. Lastly, it's pretty easy to use because it has a long spray hose. With that kind of length, you can just leave it on the ground and spray around. That said, it gets a 4 out of 5 in our buying guide criteria. That's why we chose it for our top pick. As for your choice, just go for the one that suits your needs best. Take your time in the selection process and grab the best deal. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.